Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how Albert Cashback works. Albert is a cashback app that helps you earn money back on your everyday purchases. To get started, you need to download the Albert app and sign up for an account. Once you have signed up, you can start earning cashback by linking your debit or credit card to the app. This allows Albert to track your purchases and reward you with cashback. The cashback amount varies depending on the store and the type of purchase you make. When you make a purchase at a participating store, Albert will automatically detect the transaction and reward you with the corresponding cashback amount. You can then track your cashback earnings in the app and redeem them for real money when you reach a certain threshold. One of the key benefits of using Albert is that it does not require any coupons or promo codes. The cashback is applied automatically, making it easy to earn money back on your everyday purchases. Additionally, Albert offers a wide range of participating stores, including popular retailers and restaurants. To maximize your cashback earnings, it is best to use Albert for all your daily purchases. You can also earn extra cashback by referring friends to the app. When your friends sign up and start using Albert, you will both receive a bonus. In terms of security, Albert uses advanced encryption to protect your financial information. Your data is safe and secure, and you can trust that your transactions will be processed accurately. Overall, Albert Cashback is a simple and easy way to earn money back on your everyday purchases. By following these steps and using the app regularly, you can earn real money back and make the most of your shopping experience.